Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well and good. Guys, uh, this is Ram and you are watching here that channel name is B2T. B2T stands for Basic to Top. Basically, here you guys will learn about the basic things. In whatever you will learn in the basic, you will reach height in the top guys. So step, but we have to follow step by step, one step, next step, next step, next step, to follow like this guys. Okay, so my main intensive my main intent is there, mainly my main focus is there in my YouTube channels to upload all those videos whatever you require, you need. But one condition is there, you guys have to request in the comment box, and yeah, through mail. You will find the mail in the descriptions. You will find the mail in the descriptions guys. So these things, but if you request, if I feel personally this topic is good, really I have to create the videos on the topics, really need to explanations, then I will make the videos. If that is not exist in our tutorials, if already exists, then I will revert you by like is already exists, I will send you the link and things. Okay, but even you can see in the my channel, you can go and see all the videos, everything is there in tutorials. Already I uploaded the Python videos, Django videos, and HTML, CSS, something is there. You can go and see, check. Make sure you have to use the headphones while watching all the videos guys, that things. And support these channels to grow your careers, and also to support others people's, your friend circles, to all of them, to they guys learn the tutorials, learn the new skills and upgrade their skills, and they do more productivity if they are working in the some XYZ company. So for that company and there for that student career, so that employee can growth. Okay guys, so you have to do these things clearly guys, and you have to follow these things. If whether if you are first year, second year, third years, yeah, you are the final years, yeah, already you passed out, you are suffering for job, even already you are doing job, and but your productivity is not much good, even you can message me what is the problem. I will try to analyze your problems, where you are suffering. Okay, so I will create the videos on that tab, I will suggest you, I will mail you, just to growth in your career. That's it, because no one can teach you these things. Even you will go in colleges, college what they will teach you, syllabus. Only 5% of student can do something with college study, but none of them can focus. So don't find the shortcuts guys. Okay, learn. If you are in the first year, then you can start from the basic, at least C language. See, if you expert in the C language in the first year, so your all confusions, your all logical things will clear. Okay, so make sure learn on the C language. Okay, if you want uh, videos, if you want to lecture in the C language, just you can give the comment message in the box. Definitely I will try, I will find the time, and I will make the video on the C language step by step. so your all logic will clear. Then I will suggest you just C language, just you learn for clarity the what is the programming language and how it's going to work, how will it add the logic. Okay, then I will tell you one thing, go with data scientist side, so learn Python. Okay guys, then if this two is finished, get deep now knowledge in the Python, very deep, because upcoming 10 years full of Python. In future also you can say not only 10 years, in futures, because everywhere is machine learning, deep learning, and robotics, everywhere is there. See, chat GPT is there. So no one is going to hire you if you do the web developers or something then, because if any company need right now 10 web developers, but so company is going to do hard, they is going to remove the 9 developer from the company. They will select one developer and they can do all the jobs with all 9 developers. It's like ChatGPT. It came here. So focus on your study, upgrade your skills, and go with the new directions. Go with the data scientist, machine learning, NumPy, tutorials, all those things, guys. There, and make sure you don't find the shortcuts. Learn deeply, get excellent knowledge. There things. Don't find shortcut. Never. I will not recommend these things. If you do hard work, definitely you will get success. Hard work means there is no failures, is success. If that way, yeah, this way. Anyway, you will come to success. So I will suggest you, if you are in the first year, just focus on your colleges, what they are going to teach you, and focus on yourself, what you are going to do. Like, choose at least one programming language, choose your career, decide your career in the first year. If you want good mentorship, just you contact me here in the email. You can just send me the message, so I will try to contact you, either my team will contact you, and anyone, whether me, myself, yeah, my team will contact you, and they will write your problems, skill, what are the problem where you are suffering. My team in the sense is my friend circle, except I don't have any personal, I don't have any employee, nothing. My team is my friend circle. They will contact you, they will ask you the detail within the 1 week. This process will going to happen. If really you need my support, so I will personally contact you. After, if management will request me, if my team will request me, then I will contact you also. So focus on your study first things. In this channels you can go through and watch all the videos, and share this channels links to your friends, support them, and we'll start your journey from here, guys. Learn full of programming language, basic to top. If you are down here, you will reach here, not here, here, more than top. So just you have to patience, and don't find shortcuts. Work hard, learn hard. Okay guys, thank you, thanks for watching, and support this channel also. Go like, share, comment, and support others. If you support others, this channel is going to grow automatically. So that's it, guys. Thank you, bye bye, take care. And from tomorrow I think I will start video, so you will find the tutorial videos in these channels, guys. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.